everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with another question of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 4.2, page number 70, question number 3. Check which of the following are solution of the equation. Equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4, and which are not. These are the given options which we have to find out whether they are the solution or not of this equation. Start with the part 1. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. So we are going to put the value. We'll prove that right hand side is equal to left hand side. Now x is equal to 0 minus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Now 0 minus 2 2s are 4. Now 4 is equal to 4. Now 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Now here is minus 4 and this is 4. So they are not equal. So we are going to write that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence 0 2 is not the solution of given equation. Now this is the part 1. Now come to the part 2. If we take the part 2, then part 2, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Now we are going to put this value in the equation. Now 2 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 4. Now 2 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 4. Now 2 is not equal to 4. So we are going to write here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So the statement would be, now in the first part the statement was 0 2, so we'll change the point here. Now the point is, hence point 2 and 0 is not the solution of the given equation. Now this is the part 2. Now the part 3. In the part 3 the points are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0, and the equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. So now we are going to put the value. 4 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 4. Now 4 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is 0 is equal to 4. Now 4 is equal to 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we'll write the statement, hence 4 0 is the solution of given equation. Now come to the part 4. In the part 4 the points are x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to 4 root 2. So start with this one. We are going to put the value. Now root 2 minus 2 multiplied by 4 root 2 is equal to 4. Now root 2 minus 4 2s are 8 root 2. Now this one is 1 root 2 and this one is 8 root 2. So we'll subtract it. So we'll get the value minus 7 root 2, that is not equal to 4. So we are going to write here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Now the statement, hence root 2 and 4 root 2 is not the solution of given equation. This is the part 4. Now come to the part 5. This one is 1 and 1. Now 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Now 1 minus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 4. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, plus minus minus, that is not equal to 4. So now we are going to write here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence 1 1 is not the solution of given equation. This is the part 5. So in this question, the only solution was part 3, that is 40. With this one, we have completed question number 3. In the next video, we are going to start with the question number 4.